what's that, 179, 794, the intermodals, heading towards the direction of Deschler, most likely stopping in, I think it's North Baltimore, which is right here beside, in between Fostoria and Deschler. My bad, the number on that's 77.9 and 79.14 lead it. Train meet here in Fostoria at approximately 1:30, about 2 o'clock. Look at that. Can't get the meat. CS 897 and 52. Leave this move behind it. Can't tell what that 30 unit is. 649, 520, 570 on that 30 unit. YN2 on this. What's that? Them's loaded hoppers, which would classify. Oh, that's heading down towards Marion today. That's in the general direction of Columbus. My mom and my stepdad got me up here today. Instead of my dad as usual, which I kind of miss, I guess. Thing is, a lot of people got angry during this trip up here, this 2-hour trip. Not a lot of people can stay intact after a 2-hour trip. I tried. She's gonna follow that grain down into Columbus. I'm gonna say I don't expect any DPUs on either of these moves. They have ample enough power for their respective moves. I've got 5. I've got. How far does this go in? Only to 4? Like, I don't like that too much then. And train DPU for the intermodal heading either to North Baltimore or further. Examples, Chicago are included. Can't think of any other spot that there might be. Send these autos to. Oh, the N trains met too, which is excellent. Sorry for the cut there. Storage said no. When I said yes, continue to roll footage, I guess. Droidy 907. Not the best noise to... I've slowly realized that rail fanning while family members are talking is absolutely not favorable. Anyway, into this broadcast. See y'all. You can hear them. You can hear them from down there just as. 586 and 123 heading in. Wow, he gave us a wave. How about that? They said I'm 119. I'm a fucking dumbass. Cause I know that's oh, I love that shot. I like it a lot.
I thought I was hearing another horn.
There is another one. I'm pretty sure it's on the NS tracks, just waiting for this. Is that coil cars on auto racks, or is that? Oh.
Rolling this way. That's not sounding good at all. Mickey, do you sound okay?
That's fine.
After all we do is do the McDoubles, McChickens.
Alright.
Do a McDouble, McChicken apiece.
Nine 994-7019. I'm wondering if this is a bunch of coils on auto.
Bogey set right there ain't running right.
Look at all the New York Central markings on these. All got New York Central markings in some way. Yep. Oh, I caught it just as the N train's moving by. You kidding me?
I told Marvin, I said, I can't believe you're saying the brakes aren't on. That's the wheel against the rail. There's no way I can solve that That way, one, you can go get through.